our goal is to be by your bedside in hours and not days. And let me tell you a little bit about the process and how we're going to make that happen. When you dial our 844 number, which is 1-844 Aero MD1, the hospital that you're at, if they're dialing, or if you're at the hospital and you're dialing, will reach one of our highly trained communicators. And their job is to gather all the data necessary to make this mission a go. They'll talk with accepting physicians, they'll review paperwork, they'll work with payment and insurance and things like that to make the mission a go. And then once the mission is a go, we want to be by your side providing medical care, high-level, ICU-level medical care within hours and not days. So we want to be timely because we realize that operational gap that provider needed to be fast and on island to serve the people of the Caribbean. We actually fly with 2 pilots. There's always 2 pilots on board, highly trained in their respective platform, be that the jet aircraft or the turboprop aircraft. In the back of the airplane, providing medical care for you, will be both a critical care nurse and a respiratory therapist that's also a respiratory care practitioner. The providers in the back of the aircraft providing medical care will have access 24/7 to board-certified physicians via satellite phones to ask if there was any change in patient condition or if there are any questions or need for advice and treatment. Our medical directors are always available to support your mission. Also, our communicators are highly trained in their necessary fields to be able to, number one, make the mission a go by working with the hospital, with the paperwork, and you, the customer. And number two, in tracking our aircraft and keeping up with our crews and making sure that the mission is being effective and safe. We're really fortunate because we have 2 medical crews on island 24/7, 365 days a year to staff our 2 platforms. With that, we also have the pilots to support those aircraft as well. So there's always a medical presence for this high level of ICU care to serve the people of the Caribbean 24/7, 365.